During this time, my goals are going to be to talk about the phenomenon that we may share in part with other animals, unlike our language, and that is emotion. And also talk about some new technology, brain imaging, functional magnetic imaging. And we try to answer some very old questions about how does motivation and emotion work. I'm going to put you with the scenario first, and some of you may be familiar with. This was developed by Pavlov over a century years ago. And in this scenario, the dog was presented with the sound, and then the dog waits, and then fed food powder, and this happened repeatedly. Things started to happen in the middle of the experiment there. Interesting things started to happen here. Pavlov's study was to salivate the dog. The salivation increased more time to paralyze. But other things happened here too. You have a dog move around here more, and all kinds of things are going on here. What we trying to capture was the experiment I'm going on to describe today is what is going on in the brain to generate that state, which we called it competitive state. But you can also think about state in terms of how are the dogs feeling later. How are you feeling about eating lunch today?